It's like you're screaming and no one can hear. You almost feel ashamed that someone could be that important, that without them you feel like nothing. No one will ever understand how much it hurts. You feel hopeless, like nothing can save you. And when it's over and it's gone, you almost wish that you could have all that bad stuff back so that you could have the good.
This is the way you left me. I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way you left me. I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever, and live the rest of our life not together.
Tut mir leid. Ich kann nicht atmen. Ich kann nicht denken. Was mache ich nur ohne Fälle? Ich habe Schuldgefühle. Ich fühle mich schrecklich. Und da hat mir das Herz so wehgetan. Richtig körperlich wehgetan.